Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix durable AI not working in 2026. So if durable AI isn't loading, generating content, creating websites, or responding properly, here are some common solutions you can try. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable. A weak or interrupted connection can prevent durable AI from communicating properly with its servers. Next, refresh the page and try again. Yeah, temporary platform glitches can sometimes cause features to stop working unexpectedly. If the issue continues, sign out of your durable AI account and sign back in. This can refresh your session and resolve temporary account-related problems. Finally, create a new project or repeat the task after applying these fixes. In many cases, refreshing your session, updating your browser, or waiting for temporary platform issues to clear will solve the problem. And that's it. Those are the most common ways to fix durable AI not working in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.